Hello and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today I will be doing a slow-mo and up-close version of prepping onions. It was requested by a few members of the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So here it is. Okay, here we are. I have a medium to large size yellow onion in front of me. Okay, this is the root. This is the top. Pretty simple. Basically, to start off, we are going to cut off the top, then put it on its face, on this face, and then we're going to cut through the root, and then to do sliced, which we're going to do sliced first, we'll cut off the root, and we'll do a quick peel. What we'll do is slice through using this knuckle, by moving these fingers. This is going to gauge on how thick the slice will be. This is where I will take this part of the onion and put it face down, just turn it 90 degrees and continue slicing. Oops. Okay. We've already got a pre-peeled onion. We'll do this again. Again, I'm going to swivel this part of the onion. That's slicing. So we're going to take this other half of the onion that still has the root end on it. We're going to peel it. Again, leaving the root end, because what this does, it keeps the onion together. So we're going to take our knife, our chef's knife, and we're going to do 2 horizontal cuts. Okay? So we're going to do 2 horizontal cuts. And then, this is where this will help gauge on how big your dice will be. By cutting, basically I'm taking these 2 fingers, I'm just very lightly pushing in onto the onion, onto the sides, okay? So I'm going to do vertical cuts. This helps, the wider you go, the wider your dice. The narrower you go, the narrower your dice. So you continue doing the vertical cuts, not cutting through the root. Okay, then we're going to take your left hand or the opposite hand of your knife, do the claw. Again, this will also gauge how far you go back, how big your dice will be. So we're going to cut through. Now, what you can do, if you don't want to waste all of this onion, you can do some vertical cuts. And just cut through, like so. Okay, let me remove these off my board. I got another half onion with the root still attached. We're going to do 2 horizontal cuts. Again, 2 horizontal cuts. 1, 2. And then we're going to do, by pinching very lightly, we're going to do the vertical cuts. Okay, again, the distance between from the edge of the onion to your knuckle, using the claw method, will help determine the size of your dice. And once again, I'm going to not waste very little. I'm going to do some vertical cuts on the end here by the root. And cut through. Still using the claw. And that is onion prep. I hope this was educational and helpful to you, and we'll see you next time.